Okay, so mix them together. It looks so crispy.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life of Aji. I'm Daiki. It's the end of July and it's super hot and humid. So I'm not sure how many hours I can keep fishing. Maybe 2 or 3 hours and its limit, probably. So by the way, today's rig, multi-target rig. The combination of tie rubber and sabiki. At the end it comes tie rubber. And on top, 3-hook sabiki. So that I can catch multiple fish in this season without exchanging rigs. So let's get started. Alright, so it's only 5 minutes from our marina. Let's give it a shot. Multi-target rig. Just take the bottom and slowly wind it. And if there are some jack mackerel underneath, they would bite on sabiki. And if there are some snapper, they would bite on tie rubber. So that we can catch plankton eater and fish eater at the same time. By the way, this screen is working pretty well. It's quite nice and cool here. Just attached that in this morning. You know, in Japan, it gets super hot in summer. Even in the early morning, like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, which is right now, it reaches like 35 degrees Celsius. It's crazy. And it's getting worse year by year, especially recently. And some fish species around this area are changing slightly. Sometimes we catch fish that we've never seen around this area. By the way, I see a lot of fish on my fish finder. It's a good signal though. There's no touch at all. Probably they are not hungry. Now something small hit. Probably a small scorpion fish or something. Let's see. Oh. Bait. Small bait. I can keep it for live bait fishing. Small jack mackerel. I kept that in a live well. Okay, I'm gonna change the spot a little down to the south. First drop didn't work. Well, first hit. Something hit. Not very big. Jack mackerel? Probably. Hope it's decent sized jack mackerel. It's very tasty. I can cook something delicious. Jack mackerel in their best season right now. They contain a lot of fat. Yeah. Alright. It's nice. All right, another one. Alright, another one. Nice. Alright, I got snapper, probably. It's hidden downwards. Snapper. but the size seems small. Oh, it came off. It came off.
Actually, this is the beginning of the nightmare. Oh, something hit.
Snapper.
It looks like snapper because it's tagging downwards. Alright, gently, gently. Don't come off this time. Oh, it came off again. What a day. You know, when a commercial boat passes by at high speed, this is what happens. Kinda scary, isn't it? And picked up another jack. This looks like good size, but it came off again. Alright, finally I got a big bite. Don't come off this time, please. Oh, again. What a day. Seriously. All the bites I got today were short bites. What a nightmare.
That's it for today. I'm sad. You know, the reason of my failure today is that I couldn't meet the timing of the bite. Just I wasn't at the right spot at the right timing. The rig was good and the current was good, and what else? And the water temperature was good. Most of conditions were almost perfect, but the only thing is that fish didn't want to eat. Maybe that's why. Okay, so let's make dinner.
So today I plan to make fish tartare and grilled fish.
So I'm gonna cook my favorite dish using that fish I caught today. First, fillet the fish. Pop the rib cage and peel off the skin using the back side of knife. Okay, probably this fish is for beginners to fillet. Okay. Scallion. Okay, a ginger. A little bit of mirin and soy sauce. And finally miso. Probably this much. Okay, let's mix them together. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Actually, you can try this recipe on other fish as well. It's actually available for any fish. Alright, so fish tartare is done. It doesn't look very good actually, but it tastes good. Itadakimasu. It's really good to eat in summer. Alright, so next dish is gonna be the grilled fish. Here we go. Okay, fillet the fish.
This is what I call a V cut, a knife technique to remove all the pin bones without breaking the fillet.
Garlic, salt and pepper on fillet, and on the other side sprinkle some flour to make it brown when it's grilled. It's ready. Fill up with the olive oil, a lot of it, this much, and some garlic.
This is Kyoto original green pepper. It's not spicy but sweet.
The temperature should be not too high and not too low. And cover it. Takes about 3 minutes. It looks so crispy. Alright, it's done. Grilled mackerel. Just one bite. Very good. The meat is very soft, but the skin is very crispy. It's a perfect balance. It's super easy, so anyone can try it. Enjoy.